This is what happens when a tractor loses its clutch and brake. This mic picks up everything. So, YouTubers, have you ever figured out what happens when a tractor climbs a tree? The old man in the seat was lucky because usually they flip over. Wave at the camera, Grandpa.
Go ahead and push it down if you can.
I'm trying different things, Jane.
I said go ahead and push it down.
I'm trying different things, Jane.
And we have to hurry up and get this out of here.
I can't start it because
a storm is coming.
I know that.
Okay, then.
Well, we're going to work. You sit there and play.
So there you have it, YouTubers. That's what happens when a tractor loses its brakes and clutch.